Next we will see addition and subtraction of matrices. Two matrices can be added and subtracted if they have same order. Same order means equal number of rows and columns. For example, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 7 and matrix B is equal to 1, 5, 0, 3, then A and B both matrices can be added if they have same order. See, matrix A also has order 2 by 2 and matrix B also has order 2 by 2. So we can add both the matrices. So it will be 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 0 and 7 plus 3. So A plus B will be your 3, 8, 4 and 10. This is your A plus B. Similarly, A minus B will be 2, 3, 4, 7 minus 1, 5, 0, 3. So it will be 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 0 and 7 minus 3. So it will be 1, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus 0, 7 minus 3, 4. So two matrices can be added and subtracted if they have same order. More examples we can see. If A is equal to 3, 5, 0, 0, 1, 7 and B matrix is your 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So these two matrices have same order. A has the order of 2 by 3 and B also has order of 2 by 3. So A plus B will be 3 plus 2, 5 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 and 7 plus 1. So this will be your 5, 5, 0, 1, 1 and 8. So this is your addition of matrices. Now next we will see is our scalar multiplication of matrices. Scalar multiplication of matrices. If any constant quantity k is multiplied with the matrix then it is said to be scalar multiplication of matrix. Where k is any natural number 1, 2, 3 till n. For example, we will see A matrix is your 5, 3, 4, 1. Now if we multiply this matrix with 5, then it will become as 5A, and its all elements will be multiplied with 5. Then it will become as 25, 15, 20 and 5. This is called as scalar multiplication of matrix. Means if we multiply any matrix with a constant quantity k, that is any natural number, then it is called as scalar multiplication of matrix. We will see some more examples. Like if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and B is equal to 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. Then find 2A minus B. So first our A is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and matrix B is 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. So first we will find our 2A, that is scalar multiplication. So its 2A will be 2, 4, 6, 4, 6 and 2. Now this is your 2A. We have to find out 2A minus B. So 2A is 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 2 minus your B is 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. Now it will become as 2 minus 3, minus 1, 4 minus minus plus 1, it will become 5, 6 minus 3 is your 3, 4 minus minus plus 1, 5, 6 minus 0, 6, 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Now this is your 2A minus B. Now we will see some more examples of scalar multiplication and find the values of variables. Likewise, you have to find x and y. If 2 into 1, 3, 0, x plus y 0, 1, 2 is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Here we have to find the value of x and y. So here this 2 is multiplied with this matrix, means it is the scalar multiplication. So first we will do our scalar multiplication, that is we will multiply it with 2, the 2, 6, 0 and this is 2x plus y 0, 1, 2 is equal to 5, 6, 1 and 8. Now we have to add these two matrices. So it will be now 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 6, 0 plus 1, 0, 1, 2x plus 2, it will be 2x plus 2 is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Now we have to find our x and y values. So from equality of matrices we will equate these two matrices. So 2 plus y is equal to 5. So y will be 5 minus 2, then y value will be 3. Now 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2x will be 8 minus 2, that is 2x will be 6, then x is equal to 3. So now we have got our values of x and y respectively. We will see some more examples. If 2 into x 5 7 y minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 1 2 is equal to 7 6 15 14. So here also we have got our scalar multiplication, that is we will multiply with 2 with this matrix, then we will add with this matrix and equate with this matrix. So first we will multiply our matrix. So it will be 2x 10 14 2y minus 6 plus 3 minus 4 1 2 is equal to 7 6 15 and 14. Now we will add these two matrices. So it will become as 2x plus 3 10 minus 4 14 plus 1, and it will be 2y minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 7 6 15 14. Now I will equate these two matrices as 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, it will be 4. So x we will get as 2. Now to find out the values of y, it will be 2y minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 14. This is 2y minus 4 is equal to 14. So 2y is equal to 14 plus 4. So 2y is equal to 18. So we will get y value as 9. So now we have got our values of x and y. We will see some more examples. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t. If 2 into x, y, z, t plus 3 into 1 minus 1 0 2 is equal to 3 into 3 4 5 6. So first we will do our matrix scalar multiplication. So it will become as 2x 2y 2z 2t. Again we will multiply 3 with this matrix, so it will become as 3 minus 3 0 6. We will again multiply this 3 with 3, this will become as 9 15 12 and 18. Now we have to add these two matrices, then it will be 2x plus 3 2y minus 3 2z plus 0 2t plus 6 is equal to 9 15 12 and 18. Now we will equate the two matrices as 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. So 2x will be 9 minus 3. So 2x is equal to 6. So x will be is equal to 3. 2y minus 3 is equal to 15. So 2y is equal to 15 plus 3. So 2y is equal to 18. So y will be equal to 9. 2z plus 0 is equal to 12. So 2z is equal to 12. So z is equal to 6. Now 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. 2t is equal to 18 minus 6. So 2t is equal to 12. So t is equal to also 6. Now it's your DIY. Find x, y, z and w if 3 x, y, z, w is equal to x 6 minus 1 2 w plus 4 x plus y z plus w and 3. If x into 2 3 plus y into minus 1 1 is equal to 10 5, then find the values of x and y. Find matrices x and y if x plus y is equal to 5 2 0 9 and x minus y is equal to 3 6 0 minus 1. If a is equal to 2 1 3 5 7 9, b is equal to 3 2 6 1 5 4 and c is equal to 1 3 2 0 3 1, then find 5a plus 3b plus 6c. This is your DIY.